So here it is all installed in the car. As you can see, she's bolted in with 1-inch spacers, and that makes sure that she stands off enough to where you can get the plugs off of the bottom of the relays. I've got to put the spacer on the other side. The gas tank is directly underneath it, so that'll be coming out for the fuel cell anyway, and that's when I'll put in the other side. All your windows and door locks are piped into here, along with the alarm system sitting there blinking away. And then of course you've got your main fuse block, 1 and 2 going to the trunk popper and door locks and alarm system, and the other set going to fire up the alarm system, and then one for the windows. Of course, that's run through this last relay. That's why you see that red wire running down into the harness. That will in turn go over there to the ignition side of the relay switch. And that way, once the power's on in the car, it'll power that set of relays. So until I run that wire, it's just running there for now. And all the fuses are in that I need to have in for this to do what it's doing so far. But like I say, I've still got another 8 circuits there that I can use, which will definitely help out. But yeah, that's how it goes in, and that's pretty much all there is to it, with the exception of wiring up, of course, the lights for flash and the alarm horn and all that kind of fun stuff here. And then you'll notice that yellow wire about third from the top set. That goes to the electric windows up side of a relay. And when you lock the doors, that powers for 30 seconds to allow the windows to roll up automatically when you lock the doors, which I thought was a really cool system. It takes both of them to do it, but whatever works, that's all that matters to me. And it all works together, as you can see, pretty simply. You use your remote key, top locks, bottom unlocks, and then you hear the clicking of the relays in the system, the alarm system. And then, like I say, you just lock the car like normal, and it sets up the alarm and everything. There's also going to be one wire that runs to a hidden kill switch that won't work. And then you unlock the car, hold down the lock key button at the same time, and it pops the trunk for you. So the system is back up and working. We already tested the windows. They've got power to them now. So now it's time to clean up, finish everything in the wiring, running the hot up there, and then it's time for the fuel cell. So that pretty much concludes that video on how to do that. Like I say, I'm going to be doing this on the side for people who really want it. It is not cheap to wire this in, but it's probably cheaper than making mistakes and having to deal with it later. I do have a full drawn out schematic for it, so it's definitely easy to understand, and anybody can kind of go in there and take care of it. But yeah, that's the total electrical video. So hope this helps everybody.